Hey you guys, welcome to my weekly lunch meal prep video. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. I do weekly meal prepping, super quick and healthy recipes that you can follow along to, give you some meal prep motivation. For this week, I'm going to be doing a super healthy Southwest turkey bowl, kind of a scramble. I'm not really sure what to call this, but I used to call it a scramble. Now I call it kind of a bowl, but it's going to be Southwest bowl with ground turkey. I'm going to use cauliflower rice to keep it super healthy. When I used to make these in the past, I used regular rice, so you can definitely use regular rice also, but I'm going to use cauliflower rice this week. I have an onion, some diced green chilies, rotel, corn, and some Fiesta blend cheese. So this is gonna be so good, you guys, and super healthy. I love having everything prepped, ready to go for the week, all portioned out. You know, I love meal prepping so that I can make sure that my portions are on track and not crazy big portions that I don't need. So I portion everything into my meal prep containers so that I just have to pull it out for lunch each day, heat it up, and lunch is ready to go. I am going to put all this together. I'm going to show you guys how I make it. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, click that bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification when I post new videos. Tons of healthy meal prepping videos. I hope that you guys are enjoying them. I hope it's giving you a little bit of motivation to do some meal prepping so that you're nice and organized for the week. I'm gonna get this week's lunch ready to go. I cannot wait. It's going to be delicious. I have my diced onion. I used half of the onion and diced it up, and I'm going to cook it with my ground turkey. You can definitely use ground beef in this if you'd like. I just love ground turkey because it's so lean and less greasy than ground beef. So I'm just going to mix it up with my little meat masher that I love. I use all the time. You guys have seen it a bunch on my channel, but it's really fun for ground turkey and ground beef recipes to help mash that meat up. So I'm just going to keep stirring it every couple minutes until it is browned on all sides. And then it does, I have to drain the grease a little bit. So now that it's done cooking, I'm going to drain the grease and I will add in all of the rest ingredients for this Southwest bowl. So I have my diced green chilies, and I love these. They give them so much flavor. I have my rotel diced tomatoes with more green chilies because you can never have enough green chilies. And then I'm going to use a can of corn that I have drained. I've drained the juice out of the can of corn. And then I have my cauliflower rice that I have steamed already in the bag. I have been using a ton of cauliflower rice lately in a bunch of my recipes, and it is so good, so healthy, and such an awesome rice substitute. So I'm just going to mix everything together, and then these will be ready to go. And like I said, they have tons of flavor with these diced green chilies, and it is just a really delicious lunch to have ready for the week. All right, so these Southwest scramble bowls are ready to go for lunch. This is a really awesome, quick and easy one pan or one little skillet meal. These are awesome for dinners. Also, so quick and easy. You guys know I love quick and easy recipes. I'm gonna portion this into my meal prep containers. These awesome glass containers that I get on Amazon. I love these, so I'll put a link to them in the description box. So check that out if you need some new meal prep containers. I'm gonna portion this out. It'll be ready to go for the week and super delicious, you guys. So easy and awesome. I also like to serve this with a little bit of avocado. Once you heat it up for lunch, you can dice up a little avocado, add that on top. That goes perfect with this as well. So lunch is ready to go for the week, you guys. So good, tons of flavor. We got our protein with the ground turkey, super lean. Got our veggies with the cauliflower and tons of flavor with the diced green chilies, the rotel. I love the corn, gives it a little sweetness. So this is such an awesome lunch to have ready for the week, nice and healthy. And as you guys know, I love healthy meals so that I don't overeat and I just feel like sluggish and tired when I overeat a big heavy meal. So this is perfect for lunch and perfectly prepped, ready to go for the week. Thank you so much for watching this video for this week. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration to do some meal prepping for your lunches. Check out my other videos, tons of breakfast ideas, some dinner prepping also. So check all those out on my channel if you haven't already. Hope that you guys have a really great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.